Hello everyone, this is a special class, okay? It's physics class. It has to do with electrical energy and power. Most of us, we don't know how NEPA people calculate the bill. Well, the only thing that they do, they just give bills monthly. There are some calculation you can learn, and you know once you have you are living in a metered apartment. If you know have two type of meter, okay, you have prepaid, the one you pay before, and postpaid. All right. Postpaid is that you use the light, they calculate your bill and you make payment. Prepaid is that you pay and they will charge from your recharge. Okay. But if you're using a postpaid meter, that is the one that you pay at the end of month, they will come and check your electricity consumption. This is how they calculate it. Look at this question now. 5 8 watts. This person have doesn't have much appliances, but just a circuit with 580 watts. So the power 80 watts is 5, so it's going to be 80 times 5 plus 300 watts. This person has three bulbs, and each of them is 300 watts. Now the total power is going 80 times 5 is what? 400 watts plus 300 watts. That will give us what? 700 watts. The power consumed by this circuit is what? 700 watts. If the cost of energy is 5 naira per unit, 1 unit of electricity is calculated as kilowatt hour. All right. This connection run for 8 hours. The time is 8 hours. How many units of how many units of electricity is consumed here? If you want to calculate the quantity of electricity consumed here is going to be first you change this one to kilowatts. Kilo means thousand. Okay, so we divide this by 1,000. If you divide by 1,000, it will give you what? 0.7 kilowatts. Time is 8 hours. All right, now energy in kilowatt hour. Energy in kilowatt hour is going to be 0.7 times 8. That will give us what? 8 times 7 is 56. Right? 6 carry 5. 8 times 0 is 0 times plus 5. That is, this circuit is consuming what? 5.6 units every 8 hours. All right. Now, the bill that this person is going to pay, this is something that's this 5.6 units is something as 5.6 kilowatt watt hour. And we know that 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 5 naira, 5.0 naira. Now, 5.6 kilowatts will be what? You call it x. What do? You cross and multiply. Use this to times this. 1 times x is what? X. That is the amount the person is meant to pay. It's going to be 5.6 times what? 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Raise 0, carry 3. 5 times 5 is 15 plus the other 3. 25 plus the other 3 is what? 28. So this person, just for the total number of 8 bulbs that he has used for 8 hours, the charge will be what? 28 naira. Now, assuming that this person use it every day for 24 days, that's in for 1 month, that is 30 days, it would have been 28 times what? 30. That is the total charges only from bulb. Then you now talk about other appliances, fridge, televisions, and pressing iron. Those ones, the power consumption is higher than that of what? Electric bulb. That is how those your calculations are being done. But if you know this and you know the cost per unit of your area, then you can check the reading of your meter and do the calculation so that nobody will fool you. If you like this video or if it is helpful to you, please don't forget to share. and have a nice day. See you in my next video. God bless.